Attorney Zulaika Lopez to talk ahead of the proceedings?
I
Because
wouldn't know. I'm not privy to that. Again, sir,
however,
I
it's
have to
been
clarify to the media, I am not the spokesperson of the OVP. I am not connected in any way with the OVP. So anything that happens in the OVP, I'm not privy to.
but you will read si VP po ready to show support sa lahat po ng empleyado.
Well, ganun naman ang character at nature ni VP kahit noon pa man. Hindi naman po bago yan. No? So, but again, we'll see na lang po kung makakadalo siya.
But as a defense team, you aren't you privy to this information?
Which
About the
information, ma'am?
investigation on the supposed assassination against.
Again, ma'am, if I tell you what our theory is, obviously that's telegraphing our defense. And secondly, that's going into the merits. And as I've told you last week, we cannot talk about the merits, ma'am. I hope you understand.
Thank you.
Sir, yung sa issue daw ng typo error kahapon, maling petsa at docket number, sabi ng Prosex, it did not diminish the threat itself, at malinaw daw at malakas na ebidensya. Yung mismong video threat ni VP, ano pong reaction niya dito?
Tama po. Nasabi nga po yan, but again, I'll repeat my answer kanina. Whether may na-establish o walang na-establish, that is really up to the impeachment court. No? Ngayon, kung malakas yung ebidensya o hindi malakas yung ebidensya, I don't think the counsels of the parties and the parties themselves should be talking about kung malakas yung ebidensya because that's precisely what Rule 18 prohibits, which is talking about the merits. So sa atin, ginagawa lang natin yung trabaho natin, ine-expose lang natin yung sa tingin natin dapat ma-expose. At bahala po ang impeachment court para sa kanilang appreciation po kung nailabas natin yung punto natin or kung material yung mga bagay na yan, lalo na yung mga typos.
According dun sa latest na survey, slightly down may advantage ang prosecution sa defense.
Mhm. Sir, ako personally, and even that I think I can speak for the entire defense team, we don't really look at surveys. In fact, sabi ko nga sa inyo, from day one, hindi kami nagbibilang kung sinong panalo sa unang araw, sinong panalo sa pangalawang araw, because at the end of the day, ultimately, what will matter will be the decision of the impeachment court. So, mahaba pa po kasi to. So, kung magbibilang tayo, I think it will be a futile exercise.
Yung sabi kahapon ni Attorney Binduan, halfway na siya dun sa cross-examination. Do you think may isasala ngayon si Attorney Zulaika Lopez or baka mahaba pa dahil may redirect pa at may recross?
Well, kami naman, kung may isasala ngayon, handa naman po kami. It will depend nga kung magkakaroon ng redirect or recross. But yeah, halfway na po yung cross-examination. No, the team was also discussing earlier before I entered the room. So definitely matatapos kami. Kung may isasalang si Attorney Lopez, hindi ko po alam. But kung may isasalang naman siya ngayon, handa naman po yung defense.
Sir, hindi raw believe si House Prosecutor Terry Ridon sa line of questioning ng defense team sa cross-examination kay NBI Regional Director Attorney Jeremy Lotok. Ang sabi niya, yan na ba yung best note? Galingan niyo pa ng konti. Any comments?
Congressman Redon is entitled to his own opinion, and I don't think it would be appropriate for me to comment on that. We do not engage in such discourse.
Sir, doon sa isa sa mga defense kahapon, isa sa mga na-float na line of yung case theory ng defense ay basically I'm saying it, but allegedly bias yung NBI poll because it only focused on the threat against the president but not on the vice president. Why? Ano po ang rationale behind it? Bakit po kailangan i-highlight yung difference the way the NBI handles the investigation?
So like you said po, it goes into...
Like you said po, it goes into bias, basically, because then now the report is questionable. But whether we were able to establish bias once again is not something for us to say in the media because it would be unfair to the other party, no, to our opposing counsels. Ayaw naming nagsasabi na nanalo kami or na-prove namin to or na-prove namin yan or hindi namin na-prove ito sa media because at the end of the day, and again, I'm really sorry, we're really bound by the rules on impeachment. This will have to really be ultimately based on the appreciation of the impeachment court, the senator judges, kung ano yung na-establish at ano yung hindi. But as to your question, kaya po importante yun because obviously bias affects everything that goes on in an investigation. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you po.